Welcome to Nutrition 210 Online for fall semester 2018 at Fullerton College. I'm looking forward to a wonderful semester with all of you. This quick orientation video is going to walk you through our Canvas site and what to expect for the semester. The best place to start is this Start Here Course Orientation tab on the home page. Each time you log into Canvas, you will be directed to this home page where you will find the weekly tab or weekly module tabs. So start at the Start Here Course Orientation module, and here you will walk through a variety of pages. First off is my introduction here. The next page gives you orientation, sort of online readiness videos. Please do take some time to watch these. They give you tips for being successful in an online course. The next page is regarding class communication. You might be wondering, how will we be communicating on a regular basis? Although the class is taught online, we will keep in touch with each other regularly. I will post regular announcements every Monday morning, plus throughout the week, and you can locate announcements using this tab on the left-hand column here. You will also be emailed alerts that you have a new announcement. You will also be responding to discussion board topics, communicating with each other through the discussion board, and of course individually with me through email and also via office hours. I have some virtual office hours on Mondays 9 to 11 a.m. which you can access through the Conferences tab, as well as walk-in office hours Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays 10:30 to 1, Thursdays 1 to 2, or by appointment in my office 1250-02. You can also reach me by phone in my office at 992-7466 or on my cell phone, and if you leave a message I will respond to you. Guarantee a response back within 24 hours and pretty much on the weekends as well, but sometimes I don't get back to you as quickly on the weekends. The next page here is the syllabus. So please read the syllabus thoroughly. You'll see again an introduction, or my introduction, more information on how to contact me, a discussion of the virtual classroom, a review of our class communication, student learning outcomes, required course materials. Please make special note of this. You will be purchasing MindTap for Nutrition, which is a digital format that includes the ebook. You must have MindTap to complete this course, as there are activities directly through MindTap. You will have the opportunity to purchase MindTap directly in this orientation module, or you can purchase the access code at the bookstore. The course structure will be basically through weekly modules. Each week you will be assigned some reading, videos to watch, notes, kind of a lecture note section. You will also have a discussion board topic most weeks, where you will respond to an original topic by Wednesday 11:59 and respond to 2 or more classmates by Sunday end of day. We will also be working on a diet analysis project throughout the semester, and some weeks include those assignments. You will take weekly quizzes as well as a midterm and a final. You can see the grading system is basically that the grades are weighted based on the breakdown here. MindTap activities account for 20% of the final grade. The diet analysis project accounts for 20% of the final grade. Weekly discussion boards, 20%, and chapter quizzes as well as the midterm and exam, 40% of the final grade. There are a few frequently asked questions here, so please do read through. One thing to note is participation. You do need to participate weekly in the course. You must respond to the first discussion board during week 1 in order to remain enrolled. And also, if you fail to access the course and complete activities for more than 2 consecutive weeks, I may drop you. So please make sure to stay in touch with me regarding your participation, and if something arises and you're unable to participate, please get in touch, email me, explain the reason, and we will communicate further about it. If you are a student with a disability, please be sure to visit the Disability Support Services office. to request an accommodation and let me know what your accommodation is. I'm happy to work with you on that. We also have resources listed here, various resources on campus to take advantage of. You will be taking a brief syllabus quiz once you've read through the syllabus. And here's a section again giving you information about the course materials. On the next page, you can access MindTap in order to purchase the course materials. When you take that link, it will redirect you to the Cengage website for purchase of MindTap for the course. Again, you will be getting the ebook when you purchase MindTap. If you would like a paper copy of the textbook, you have the option to upgrade when you make your purchase originally. So if you do want a paper copy, you should upgrade during your original MindTap purchase. The next page in the orientation module is basically, I've listed some videos here to show you how to download the MindTap mobile app and how to receive Canvas notifications. I've also included instructions on how to enable your pop-up blocker here in order to receive MindTap content on your browser. The campus resources are listed here one more time. And here we have a Got Questions discussion board forum. And this area is one where you can go in and ask questions to your classmates. You can ask me questions, make comments, and we can discuss as a group regarding course content or structure, anything else you might want to discuss. Of course, if you need a response from me in a timely manner, best way is to email me and I will get back to you pretty quickly here. But the Got Questions forum is a great way to communicate as a class on topics that are helpful for all the classmates to see. Okay, so going back to our home page, again, you'll see the course orientation tab, as well as how to contact me. My contact information, again, is listed here in this class communication page. So please don't hesitate to reach out with questions or concerns anytime. And I'll show you an example of what one of the weeks looks like. So we'll start with week 1. Once you enter the course module, you will see the course instructions page, which will give you a description of the topic we're covering for the week, the learning objectives for the week, and tasks to complete or what is due for the week. So again, each week you will read a chapter, you will view a PowerPoint or a slide presentation. I've posted videos most weeks, so do watch those videos. You will have, generally speaking, some MindTap activities, 1 or 2 MindTap activities to complete. You will post to the discussion board, complete a chapter quiz, and some weeks, starting week 2, a diet analysis project assignment. Since the week 1 work is a little bit lighter, I've really just required the discussion board post as well as a chapter quiz. So moving forward through the module, you'll see here our first discussion board. Please go ahead and introduce yourself, discuss your personal nutrition philosophy, your area of academic interest or study, nutrition topics that you're interested in learning about, as well as maybe a fun fact about yourself, hobbies, interesting pastimes. And here I've posted a picture of my dog Trixie, and I asked you to, if you would like, post something, a photo of something that makes you happy and explain why you chose that photo. So this is just a nice way for us to get to know each other. So the next few pages in this module are going to include some MindTap content. Because I'm in the student view here, I can't actually enter MindTap, but each time MindTap content appears, you will just click on that link and it will take you into MindTap if you have purchased it. If you have not purchased it, what it will do is redirect you again to purchase the MindTap content. And again, the chapter readings, because that's through MindTap, that's something we would need to purchase MindTap in order to view. Here we have a video for week 1. Lecture slides. the video, as well as slides and a PDF if you'd like to print the PDF of the slides as well. And then here you have the quiz at the end of the module. Note on the left-hand column of the home screen, you'll see a tab for announcements, so it is important that you check announcements regularly. A discussions tab if you'd like to go in and out of the discussion board quickly instead of going into the weekly modules. You'll see a grades tab, obviously for you to check your grades in the course. Conferences to log in during virtual office hours on Monday mornings. And the modules link. I don't recommend using the modules link regularly. It is easier and probably best for you to enter the modules through the weekly links, and that way you can stay on track by week. I look forward to a fantastic semester with all of you, and please don't hesitate to reach out with questions and concerns, especially in the first couple weeks of class, so you can stay on track. Have a wonderful first week of the semester.